The top 5 common business people look to start in Dubai. Business number 4. Let me give you a hint.
मैं करा दूंगा एक बारी बैठो मैं कराता हूँ बैठो इनका एक बारी नाम नंबर वगैरह ले लो चला सारे.
Consultancy business is one of the hit business in the UAE. Whether it's a marketing, whether it's real estate, financial, business setup, any kind of advisory business is always a hit in the UAE. Believe me, even in your circle, there may be someone who's always love to give advising. आप उसको call कर लो and ask anything. भाई ये नहीं हो रहा मेरा यार, भाई ये नहीं हो रहा, क्या ये मेरा मैनेज हो जाएगा, क्या तू कर पाएगा क्या? He'll always be there to advise you. He'll always be there to take care of your work. So this is what basically a consultant also do. Yes, the business looks easy to start. That is the reason most of the fraud and scam are happening in the consultancy industry. Whether it's in immigration, whether it's in financial, or whether a business setup as well. People try to scam you in types of giving you different information, not clearly advising you, and most of the client are losing money because of this. So yes, it's easy, but it's also attracted fraud and scam too. The cost for setting up consultancy business in the UAE is somewhere around 5,000, 6,000 in the free zone. Differ if you go for the mainland businesses, it can reach up to around 14 to 15,000 dirham minimum. It differs, what kind of nature you're looking to have it, and whether you are going for a physical business or you're going for a virtual setup. It's depend on the business nature you are planning to start. And Dubai is full of new people. Every day there are people coming to UAE, maybe for tourists, maybe for starting their own business, or maybe getting their luck into something different. So if you are good in any kind of advisory, or you feel you have a qualification and experience to start something which is very new here, or maybe the same industry which is already running, you should definitely do it. People are looking to have a proper experience and qualified advisory or a consultant to go for the services.